Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Check your OS version and back up any critical settings. Once done, open Settings, then Notifications, or go directly to the target Apps Notification entry. Make sure any advanced or developer notification controls are enabled if your device hides them by default. From here, you'll access badge options. This first actionable step moves you into the menu where the badge style can be modified. So don't pause, keep the app selected. Now you change the badge style. Navigate to the app's notification settings and find Badge or App Icon Badge. Once there, choose the dot option rather than numeric counts and toggle off any show number or notification count switches. If the system offers per app and global controls, set global to dot and then confirm per app settings override accordingly. This reduces visual clutter while preserving alerts. Make sure to save or exit so the system registers the new badge preference. Finish by restarting the app and, if needed, rebooting your device so changes take effect. Once done, test by sending a notification. You should see a dot instead of a number. If you still see counts, clear the app cache, force stop, or reinstall the app. Sometimes third-party launchers or OEM skins override badge behavior, so switch to the default launcher to confirm. If problems persist, check for system updates or reset notification preferences as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.